Aku tiada terdaya mengikut kata tanpa bicara, kerana engkau tahu aku tidak sepadan denganmu.
Terjadi kecelakaan di Jalan Raya Ngawi Mantingan, Desa Watu Alang, antara bus Sugeng Rahayu patah dengan truk bermuatan bahan.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.
Hore, aku ora mule. Hore, ora iso mule. Ya gantuk. Hore, ora iso mule. Aku stres. Aku ora iso mule. Hore, aku ora iso mule. Hore, aku ora iso mule.